Hi. In today's episode, we want to talk about numbering. We paste here a list of names of girls, and we want to number them. So we select all, go here, we choose this, but we have a problem. Let's increase that. We have here dot dot, and here it's a line on the left, so the numbering is going here. So we have the dots here, and from 10 below it's much more on the right. So let's see what we can do. We go to more numbering, we choose the numbering we want, and in the position we choose here to align the number on the right, and instead of using tab we can choose space. Let's see which tab for the moment. Okay, so let's click. We can change this value also. So we have here a distance, so it's a tab between numbers and names. So let's change. We choose this numbering and the position on the right, and we want a space here instead of tab. Let's click OK. So everything now is perfect. The dots are aligned, as you can see on the right, and also the names are aligned. So everything is perfect now. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video every week. Thank you.